I don't smile.
Well, you better start.
Yeah, you should. You have a pretty smile, Star. You too, Paul. Very masculine.
She said pretty. You're done.
Okay.
Okay, I'm smiling. Hurry up.
Alright, I'm already recording. I'm recording. I'm videotaping you guys.
Do we
Well,
what?
we got
Stand
enough there.
Okay, we're done.
Oh, come on, Paul. Don't be camera shy.
You're the birds.
That's enough, I think.
No, no. I'm gonna follow you, Paul. Just teasing you, Paul.
He runs away. You're a sissy.
Don't stop taking my picture.
I bet.
I really want pictures.
Bonita. You didn't know, sir. One more time.
Alright.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Say cheese.
Cheese.
They'll be the slices.
Okay. Got it. I got it.
They'll be the slices.
You want to see them?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Alright.
Oh.
Did you hurt your back?
No, my pants caught hold of the table. Is all.
Directions.
Paper.
Yeah, just a piece of paper. Thanks.
Ty, did you get locked up in your room? Did you? Yeah? You did, huh?